So it was already in the 2 minute at the go. All we need to do is just make sure it's happening, right? Which, by the way, you can see right here. So this one was pretty easy to tell. So it popped at the open. You can see that it's dropping, right? I'd pay attention to that. That is a for sure don't touch it. Wait till you have a good sign, which there's your second candle, which is somewhere in this trade. It goes down. It does not break VWAP, so I don't panic. Do I, ladies and gentlemen? Do I panic on this?
Don't panic.
No.
Not.
Then it pulls and goes way down. It goes flat. This is where I shed. It flat or pulls back. Look how long that went flat. And if you were like, you know what, I'm going to wait. Well, then you could have waited till here, right? You see how this, as soon as it started to break this previous long candle, like right here, then that could be another shave point or your first shave point, right? Then it comes back up and you're like, oh, okay, well, I'm still golden. Coach said, as long as it doesn't break, here's your break and hold, you're out. So you collected to here to here, or right, if this is our buy line, or here to here, or you know, here to here, or here to here. It took until here before you started losing money anyways. You could have been in the trade till noon and then went, oh, I guess I'm in the red now, right? But I mean, you had so many things going on. You had, it was looking good. See how this is a ski slope? See it? Now what is this? Rolling down the hill. See it? Color change. Do you see all these things telling you? It started showing signs of weakness right there. Do you guys all see it?
Yep.
Yes.
Now watch, if I go out longer, same drill. Check this out. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. Bang, right there. See the difference? All of this is riding uphill, 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 and downhill we go. Color change. Isn't that all a sign of weakness, everyone?
It is.
And then we go out. Well, what do you know? Ski slope. Whee! Rolling down the hill. Color change. Whee! Down the hill. Color change. Whee! Do you understand?
Yeah.
I always say, watch underneath the ocean. This is underneath the bottom. This is the bottom of the sea. Look at it. Yay, yay, yay. Wait a minute. Whee! Come on,
Does
man.
anyone know if you
And ladders, coach.
Listen, if I took these away, this is why I do this. You guys always laugh when I do this. I'm going to take this away. Look, 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 look. You don't need this anymore. 2-minute EWO fans, stop trading up. Stop looking at the candles. And I know because, oh my gosh, the coach just said to not look at the fundamentals. You're damn right. Watch. Is this a successful trade or not?
Yes.
There's your trade. There's your change. Here's your trade. There's your change. Here's your trade. There's your change. Here's your trade. Look, do I need the candles? Do I need the patterns? What I'm trying to train your brain in, I'm trying to train your brain and to look at underneath. Okay. Yes, there are obviously little things. Now look, here you go. Is that better? There. Now we can trade. Now let's trade. It went up before the dip. So if you bought here, and it does the dip here, which is here. Do you see how you're not even break even yet?
Right. The dip post consolidation.
That's
is much
right.
more
Because
important.
if it dips, but you're up here and it dips, and you're up here and it dips, do you really care? You started here, right? Do you see what I'm saying? The farther this runs to the upside, the less you got to worry about these moves because you bought it low. So the moves aren't as important to you. And the farther it does it, let me go back to AI to show you what I mean. Okay, right here, perfect example. So you bought in here, which is here. Now see it pull right here. But you bought it down here, right? So do you see how you can handle those? Because it's still not even close to where you were. Look. Right here, you're like, oh no, but look at where it is. It's still above what you paid. Do you see it? Do you panic on this one? Do you panic on this one? Did you panic right here? Because didn't you buy it down here? So does that worry you? Does that one worry you? Do you see how it's going higher? Does that one worry you? Does it gonna worry you up here? Well, what about up here? Do you see the difference? Does that make sense now? The farther it goes
So
up,
high,
the farther
this is one of those higher lows
the
situations.
farther it goes up, the less you worry about it rolling down a hill, right?
The most crucial part of that is if you're doing a two, not a scalp. If you're doing a two, you got to be doing a 2-minute EWO. It's
Correct.
getting in on that second candle.
Correct.
Because
Yeah,
if
this
you
is
do
not a
that, he's
scalp.
telling you, yeah, dude, if you get in on the second candle with a
Yeah, you
Danny
win.
DeVito,
That's
so
it.
you're not scared. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, you win.
And it's like
and here's
if it
the
pulls
thing.
back, you still got money.
That's right. And I told everybody in the VIP yesterday, every single person, you need to be doing the 2-minute EWO. So if you did, you now have made more
So-
money than you've ever made just on this single trade, right?